Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding post-Mendelian discoveries. In post-Mendelian discovery, as earlier discussed regarding Mendel's experiment, we had seen the dominant allele in the pea plant, recessive allele in the pea plant, and when these two alleles come together in an organism or the individual, the dominant allele is expressing itself, whereas the recessive one is getting unexpressed or it remains masked over. But the discovery in the post-Mendelian era of this incomplete dominant allele was observed in case of Mirabilis jalapa and snapdragon, the two different plants. In case of Mirabilis jalapa, there are the red flowered plant and white colored plants. The red color plant has the allelic condition RR. White flower had the allelic condition WW. It is expressing the red colored flower, and this one is expressing the white colored flower. When these two flowers are crossed together, what we find that the allele R and W is coming in the progeny F1, and none of them are expressing themselves independently, neither R nor W. So the color of the flower becomes pink. And when these progeny, F1 progeny is self-crossed, we find here that the red colored progeny is produced, pink colored progeny is also produced, and white colored progeny is also produced. This is the example of incomplete dominance. The another discovery that was of codominance and multiple allele. This is the topic that we are going to focus with due emphasis, because it is very important as far as your examination is concerned. Blood group AB in human have the factor or the allele, in the words of Mendel, as IA and IB. These are the two alleles that we find in human body. Not all, but some of the human body has these two alleles, IA and IB. When these two alleles remain together in an individual, both of them express themselves and produce antigen A due to IA allele and antigen B due to IB allele. This condition is referred to as the codominance, because both of them remain together and both of them express themselves independently. Now, the multiple allelic condition in human body has been found in blood group. The blood group in human body can be of blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. These blood groups have different allelic combination or condition that we have mentioned below. Blood group A, it has two different conditions. The homozygous condition has IA alleles, but the heterozygous condition has IA and IO allele. These two different allelic condition is going to manifest or express themselves in the form of A blood group. Similarly, blood group B has again two different allelic condition, that is homozygous condition is IB and heterozygous condition is IBIO. Blood group AB has only a single combination, that is IA and IB only, and blood group O also has this single condition, that is IO only. Now, the condition given to you, and on the basis of the condition you have to predict the grouping of blood in the human offsprings, and such questions are generally asked in the examination. Here, group A has the allelic condition. Here you can see that father has blood group A and mother has blood group AB. Group A has two different allelic condition as we have earlier discussed, and this according to this A group has IA allele, and AB group that the mother has IA and IB allele. During gamete formation, these alleles get separated, and by the combination of these gametes, 50% of the offsprings are produced with blood group A, whereas 50% of the offsprings are produced with blood group AB. The another combination is here, father's blood group is O and the allelic condition in the father's body will be IO, whereas mother's blood group is AB, hence the allelic condition will be IB. Now see here, IO are separated in the gamete formation, and IA and IB from the mother's body is also separated, and by the combination of this, the offsprings will have 50% A blood group and 50% will have B blood group. The third condition here is father's blood group is AB and mother's blood group is B. Allelic condition in group AB is IB, and allelic condition in group B is IB or IB-I0 or IO. The condition you can see here, if IB is here in mother and IB from father, the condition is giving 50% A group and 50% B group, whereas in this condition, when IB and IO is separated and IB is separated in the gamete, the condition is giving 50% of the offspring is having the B group blood, whereas 20% of the offspring has AB group and 25% has blood group A. This much only in this video. Thank you.